But there's a lot of different types of data that contractors deal with, right? Whether it's about subcontractors and payments, whether it's about quality reports, whether it's about specs that are required from the owner. There's lots of quite disparate types of data that the contractor uses. You might still have very specific data around invoicing or data around employee time cards or job costs and so on that lives in separate databases or separate data stores, really because of legacy and because of who are the users of that data and what they need out of it today and tomorrow. But as you bring the ability to connect that data together, you are able to derive insights and analytics by connecting things together that you couldn't previously.
We're not trying to pull all of the data into one place. We know that's not realistic, and we know that's not what our customers are asking for. They're really asking to connect to their versions of their connected data environment. So making sure that we're able to bring together our data within Trimble and make it easy for our customers to connect all of their other data that they use across their operations, regardless of what that is, Trimble or non-Trimble. And then give them a centralized experience so they can collaborate on that data.
We recognize that connecting the data is far more important and far more powerful because we are democratizing that data for the customer. We are putting the data that is theirs back in their hand, making it easy for them to be able to connect that data.
Connect them together, network them together, create sort of like a hub and spoke model of data. I think that's something, that's how the internet works. Like the internet is not one network, it's an amalgamation of many networks that talk to each other. And I think that's sort of the same thing we have to go and do with data.
Again, it has well-documented APIs. It may even tie into having standard workflows that can be adopted for a project very easily. And honestly, it interoperates with other CDEs. We certainly need our own, but we have to have an acknowledgement for the industry that we have to interoperate with other companies that are saying the same thing, that they have a common data environment, because the reality is all those things need to work together to share information.
We have to be more fluid and more connected in our data and how it interacts between not only our own products, but also with lots of other technologies for personas we don't serve, or for our customers that choose to use other technologies for certain parts of the construction continuum. So it's really about how that data comes together and then how we serve it back to our customers so they can get the most out of it and it's ready and available for them in the right tool in the right place at the right time.